Navras is an online platform for that one artist who has the ability to create magic by using basic colors that exist in a rainbow. Isn't it amazing that by using simple colors, an artist creates a whole universe of arts? We created Navras with a vision that it will act as a bridge between artists and art lovers who are interested in buying the artwork. We believe in providing sustainable solutions because empowerment walks hand in hand with sustainable solutions. If you are interested in buying the artworks and promoting the artist, you have to search navrasartist.com on your internet browser. Once you arrive on our homepage, you will find different tabs which will help you navigate through the Navras website. If you are an art lover and interested in buying some artwork, you can explore through following sections, that is, artist, paintings, wall art and artifacts. And if you are feeling confused about how to choose an artwork, then you can navigate to our art advisory section for further guidance. If you are an artist and want to host your artwork on Navras, then you have following ways. Number 1. Put your cursor on this icon and click on Login. Then click on Create an account and follow further on-screen instructions. Second option is click on Artist section and fill the artist enrollment form. Then verify CAPTCHA and click on Send Message button. Team Navras will revert back to you with further instructions. Navras Artist is a global platform where you can find opportunities to connect with global artist community, gain international recognition through participating in various art competitions and challenges. Recently, our artist won the Mad Over Art contest conducted by Picazzo. Navras Artist is the one-stop shop for artists, art lovers and art advisory. To give you an insight of creative world, let us look at some of our products. At Navras, we know by experience that making a full-time career out of your hobby or passion is possible. The only requirement is to be compassionate and to be fully involved in what you do. Navras, the blooming artist.